Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here today. I will help you practice English in a simple and friendly way. Today the episode is about my best friend. We will learn words and sentences to talk about friends. We will learn how to introduce a friend. We will learn how to say why a friend is important. We will practice short sentences. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence that I say. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will show a simple conversation. I will speak slowly. Please listen and repeat when I ask you to. Ben, hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a city. I like coffee and walking. What is your name? Please repeat the last question. What is your name? You can pause the video and repeat that sentence. Ben, nice to meet you. I am Ben. I have a best friend. My best friend name is Anna. Anna and I met at school. We were in the same class. We liked the same book. We liked the same music. We talked a lot. Please repeat after me. My best friend name is Anna. Ben, Anna is very kind. She is funny. She helps me when I need help. She listens to me. She makes me laugh. I trust Anna. I can tell Anna my feelings. I can tell Anna my hopes and my fears. Please repeat after me. She is very kind. Ben, now I will show how to introduce your best friend to another person. I will pretend to introduce Anna to my friend David. Please listen. Ben, hello David. This is Anna. Anna is my best friend. Anna, this is David. David is my classmate. David, Anna likes painting. Anna is a great artist. David, Anna likes to cook. Anna cooks very well. David, Anna and I study together. We help each other with lessons. Please repeat the sentence. This is Anna. Ben, you can pause the video now. Repeat the whole short conversation. Try to say each line slowly. Try to use your best voice. Now I will give more examples. I will give many simple sentences. You can practice each sentence. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat. I will tell you about how long I have known my best friend. I will use a simple sentence. Ben, I have known Anna for 5 years. We met in college. We sat next to each other in class. We studied together. We shared lunch. We walked home together. We started to talk about our dreams. We became close friends. Please repeat this sentence. I have known Anna for 5 years. Ben, you can change the time. Try saying this. I have known my best friend for 1 year. Please repeat. I have known my best friend for 2 years. Repeat. I have known my best friend since childhood. Repeat. Now I will give sentences to describe hobbies and activities. These are easy sentences. Ben, my best friend likes to play soccer. My best friend likes to read books. My best friend likes to watch movies. My best friend likes to cook. My best friend likes to travel. My best friend likes to listen to music. Repeat each sentence. My best friend likes to play soccer. Please pause and repeat the list if you need more time. Now I will give sentences to tell personality. Use these words. Use them in simple sentences. Ben, my best friend is kind. My best friend is funny. My best friend is honest. My best friend is patient. My best friend is brave. My best friend is creative. Please repeat each sentence. My best friend is kind. Ben, now I will give questions you can ask about a friend. You can use these questions with new people. You can ask these questions to learn more about a friend. Ben, what is your best friend name? How long have you known your best friend? Where did you meet your best friend? What do you like to do with your best friend? Why is your best friend important to you? Please repeat these questions. What is your best friend name? Ben, now I will give an example of a longer monologue that you can use to introduce your best friend. I will speak slowly. You can pause and repeat any sentence. Ben, hello everyone. I want to tell you about my best friend. My best friend name is Anna. She is kind and funny. She loves art and music. We met 5 years ago at college. We sat next to each other in class. We studied together every day. We shared lunch and walked home. Over time, we became close friends. Anna helped me when I was sad. I helped Anna when she had a problem. We support each other. We trust each other. We talk about our dreams. We laugh a lot. We have many memories. We like to go to the park. We like to watch movies on the weekend. We like to try new restaurants. Anna cooks me dinner sometimes. Anna paints beautiful pictures. I feel happy when I am with Anna. She makes my life better. I am grateful for Anna. That is my best friend's story. Please repeat key sentences. I want you to repeat this sentence. She makes my life better. Ben, now I will give a short role play. I will be Ben. I will pretend you are the new person. I will ask you about your best friend. You can answer out loud. You can pause the video to give your answers. Ready? Ben, hello. My name is Ben. What is your name? Pause and say your name now. I am glad to meet you. Tell me about your best friend. Pause and say one sentence about your best friend. You can say a sentence like this. My best friend name is Maria. Maria is kind. Maria likes to sing. Pause and repeat the sentence. My best friend name is Maria. Ben, now I will give more practice sentences. Try to say them with feeling. Try to use a slow and clear voice. Ben, I met my best friend at work. I met my best friend at school. We like to walk in the park. We like to drink tea together. We like to watch the sunset. We like to travel to new places. We help each other. We forgive each other. We laugh and we cry together. Please repeat each short sentence. Ben, now I will show how to answer the question, why is your best friend important to you? I will give simple answers. Ben, my best friend is important to me because she supports me. My best friend is important to me because she listens to me. My best friend is important to me because she makes me feel safe. My best friend is important to me because she shares my values. My best friend is important to me because she makes life fun. Repeat each sentence. My best friend is important to me because she supports me. Ben, now I will give some useful words and phrases. You can use them when you speak about friends. I will say the word and a short example sentence. Ben, support. Example sentence. My friend gives me support when I need help. Trust. Example sentence. I trust my best friend. Loyalty. Example sentence. My friend shows loyalty to me. Humor. Example sentence. My friend has a good sense of humor. Shared interests. Example sentence. We have many shared interests. Good listener. Example sentence. My friend is a good listener. Care. Example sentence. My friend cares about my feelings. Repeat each phrase and then the example sentence. Ben, now I will give a short test for you. I will ask a question. You will answer in one sentence. You can pause the video to think and then speak. Ben, question 1. Where did you meet your best friend? Give your answer now. Pause and speak. Question 2. How long have you known your best friend? Question 3. What do you like to do together? Question 4. Why is your best friend important to you? Question 5. Describe one memory with your best friend. Pause after each question and speak. Ben, now I will give a sample answer for each question. Listen and repeat. Ben, I met my best friend at a coffee shop. I have known my best friend for 3 years. We like to cook together. My best friend is important to me because she is always there for me. One memory is when we traveled to the beach and we watched the sunrise. Ben, please repeat each sample answer. I will say each sentence slowly. Repeat after me. I met my best friend at a coffee shop. I have known my best friend for 3 years. We like to cook together. Ben, now I will give tips to help you speak with confidence. These tips are simple. Ben, tip 1. Speak slowly. Tip 2. Use short sentences. Tip 3. Practice with a friend. Tip 4. Listen to native speakers. Tip 5. Repeat new words. Tip 6. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Repeat the tips out loud. Ben, now I will give another practice section. This time you will tell a short story about your best friend. The story will be 3 to 5 sentences. I will give an example first. Please listen and repeat the example. Ben, example story. My best friend and I went to a concert. We danced and we sang. After the concert, we ate dinner. We talked about our day. It was a great night. Repeat the story. My best friend and I went to a concert. Ben, now your turn. Pause the video and make your own short story. Try to use 3 sentences. Try to use simple words. When you are ready, speak your story out loud. Ben, when you finish, come back to the video. I will give more phrases to help you describe feelings. Ben, I feel happy with my best friend. I feel calm with my best friend. I feel excited when we travel. I feel proud of my best friend. I feel safe with my best friend. Repeat each sentence. Ben, now I will give common expressions you can use when you meet a friend after a long time. These are useful. Ben, long time no see. How have you been? It is good to see you again. What is new with you? Tell me everything. Repeat each expression. Long time no see. Ben, now I will give a list of simple adjectives you can use to describe your friend. I will say each word in a short sentence. Ben, kind. She is kind. Funny. He is funny. Smart. She is smart. Caring. He is caring. Creative. She is creative. Honest. He is honest. Loyal. She is loyal. Friendly. He is friendly. Brave. She is brave. Patient. He is patient. Repeat each adjective and the sentence. Ben, now I will show an example where I answer questions and tell small details. Listen and repeat. Ben, question. What is your best friend's favorite food? Answer. Her favorite food is pizza. Question. What is your best friend's favorite hobby? Answer. Her favorite hobby is painting. Question. What is your best friend's job? Answer. She is a teacher. Repeat each question and answer. Ben, now I will give a practice exercise for speaking and writing. You will make a short paragraph about your best friend. Use 5 to 8 sentences. I will give a model paragraph. Listen and repeat. Ben, model paragraph. My best friend name is Anna. She is from a small town. She likes to paint and to read books. She works as a teacher. We met at college. We study and travel together. She supports me in hard times. I am happy to have her as my best friend. Repeat the paragraph slowly. Ben, now you can write your own paragraph. Pause the video and write 5 to 8 sentences. Use simple words. After you write, read your paragraph out loud. This will help your speaking. Ben, now I will give some morning practice sentences. These are short. You can use them to start your speaking day. Ben, good morning. How are you today? I am fine. I am happy to see you. My best friend called me. We will meet later. Repeat the morning sentences. Ben, now I will give some evening practice sentences. These are short too. Ben, good evening. How was your day? I had a good day. I met my friend. We drank tea. We talked for hours. Repeat the evening sentences. Ben, now I will give a final speaking practice. I will say a short story about my best friend. You will repeat the whole story. I will speak slowly and clearly. Ben's story. My best friend name is Anna. She loves art and music. We met in college. We study and work together. We often meet on weekends. We cook and watch movies. We travel sometimes. I trust Anna and I care for her. I am lucky to have a friend like her. Repeat the full story after me. You can pause the video and say the story now. Ben, great job. Keep practicing every day. Use the sentences you learned today. Talk about your friend with a friend or with a teacher. Do not worry about mistakes. Each mistake is a chance to learn. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to English Time with Ben. See you next time.